Hey guys, let's ask today, why is this person avoiding the conversations? Why doesn't this person want to come up and sort things out? What is the fear? Why is my viewers person fearful about coming up and having the conversation? Why are they avoiding? Thinking. Okay, so there is a lot of overthinking happening here. There is a lot of things maybe they have done and now they don't know how to deal with it. They are constantly being in that energy where there is fear surrounding them about their actions. They are scared to be vulnerable because they feel if they maybe confront you, confide things into you, they're not sure if it is going to work out well. Hold me. And karmic battles, underlying energy, surprise. So they have done something which is not acceptable by you, maybe by the society, maybe by whatever this relationship needed, and that is what is holding them back. I don't know if they've been with somebody else, because if you look at these two in between, it's like there's a fight going on about a connection here. They are sorting something out in their life. It could be another karmic cycle that they are kind of dealing with. It could be a person, but not necessarily. It could be their parents, it could be their siblings, it could be certain issues to do with finances. But this person is definitely, there is something that you don't know about. They are fearful that if you find out, it'll kind of mess things up. I don't know if they are going and talking to somebody about it, but it feels like somebody is maybe guiding them towards this, because they feel it is best in their interest and for the relationship itself that it's best to be silent right now. Okay, why do my viewers person think it's best to be silent right now about the situation? Page of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Nine of Swords, similar energy, Ten of Cups. So somewhere emotions, family, children, that is somewhere affecting this situation. But other than that, I think this person is not ready for the kind of expectations you have to be able to meet those expectations. There is so much fearful energy. They're fearful about how you will respond to whatever has happened or how things will go. So that they are not able to offer you the stability. Now, stability doesn't necessarily have to be money, commitment, consistency. It's also about some sort of mental, emotional, connection, support is what I see here. They're feeling stuck in where they are. They're not able to move forward with this. They're sitting on their emotions. It's just, things are just brewing here. They're not willing to talk about it. They just keep thinking, keep feeling, and that's all they're doing. They want to come forward, but then also they think that this will create some sort of a conflict between the two of you. I mean, this guy is like almost going on a war here. So they don't want to go on a war with you. They don't want to be in a position where they have to fight off certain things, maybe allegations, maybe the allegations are true, and that's the reason they're not able to kind of come forward with this. That's what I'm getting here. Thank you for watching.